Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Kat and I make a lot of videos relating to lifestyle, luxury and fashion. So if you enjoy such videos, stay tuned for more as well. And remember to subscribe to this channel because I make a lot of videos that is around luxury, lifestyle and fashion. So stay tuned. It's been a while since I've actually posted anything. If you feel that I'm actually whispering, it's because I've just delivered a 2-month-old baby boy and his name is Oliver. I am just so happy, I'm so blessed, and I'm also really tired. Every single day I'm like so tired. I've never been so tired before, and that's why I'm whispering, so I'll definitely try to increase the volume a little bit more. He's sleeping right now and it is actually very late. I wanted to share a little bit more about some new ins that I've just gotten this year, 2022, and I'm just so excited to share. I'm really excited to know what would be your luxury wish list for yourself that you want to get. It's a couple of jewelry pieces that I'm wearing right now from Anna Luisa, and it's just so beautiful. I love them so much. In fact, that I'm wearing some of their pieces right now, and there's a couple of pieces that I've got from them even before they reached out to me, actually from Isabel. She's one of like your famous YouTuber, and let me just try on and just see how this looks like when it's stacked with a couple of pieces that I'm wearing right now from them. So this is actually 24 karat gold plated, and you can actually wear it to shower. I mean, like, there's no issues. Like for me, because now when I've got a kid, the last thing I want is that I don't want to waste so much time, especially removing my jewelry and taking them out, and I don't want to do that. So this is actually how it looks back, and I've just done a little bit of like a choker style going on with Isabel's one, as well as the heart-shaped one that Kat L from Singapore, she has raved so much about this one. This is so beautiful, I love it. It's actually called Live. So this is so beautiful, like I love it, and you know, this is exactly what she's mentioned about this, and that's the reason why I've got it. I've got some hoop earrings here as well from them, as well as this huge hoop earring. So they've kindly sent me 3. These are just pieces that I just love, very lightweight and very comfortable. I'm definitely going to use it to shower as well, and something about this piece is that I think I can actually sleep with this, you know, no worries, no hassle, because I have to wake up like 3 times at night tonight to feed my child who's 2 months old. So definitely these are just very carefree pieces. Very happy you know, that they've reached out to me, and if you would like to purchase some of them, I actually have a discount code that I'll just link down in my description bar below, so check it out. It's 20%, and every month is also like a deal, so definitely check it out. I think the February one was like Valentine's Day. So let's get on to the unboxing. These are not actually true unboxing pieces because I've already used 2 of my new ins very recently in my rare outing occasions, but one of them is actually a one that I haven't actually used at all. So the first piece would be a Chanel item. This one is actually the current season, the new in from the spring summer collection, and I just love this one because it's like really a very cute vanity case. And this one is so unique because I find that instead of, you know, of course, you know, you've got like the very popular ones that actually zips around the sides. What this does is that it literally just open and close, like literally opening. It's so easy to get in and out, and you know, I don't really feel there's going to be crazy wear and tear here. I do look after my items really well, and this is in a nice, cute, sweet baby pink color in lambskin, but this is a very hardy lambskin. I could see that, you know, the lambskin can really last, and this is actually in very light gold hardware. So this is another new in my collection, and it's actually oval shaped. I just find that's really cute. It's like one of the cutest pieces, and there's actually a mirror inside. It's lined with denim inside as well. I've got my cards at the moment. I can actually put lipstick inside, and I think what really sold this bag to me was actually the chain detail. So the chain detail is actually it's a bit different, you know. I mean, one side is actually lined with leather, and the other side is actually lined with a little bit of like a thicker chain going on, and it's very comfortable to wear. Most of all, I think what really helps is just that it's just so easy to get in and out of the bag. So really love this piece, and I've just been enjoying this little baby in my collection. Very next new in piece that I've got, and I've already used it, would be a holy grail item, and I'm just so excited that I've got it. And I've already done some form of an unboxing going on in my Instagram, and it's no other than my Birkin. My Birkin 30 in Togo leather, in rose gold hardware, in the color cream. And this is such a beautiful bag, and let me show you how it looks like if I can just put it out on the screen here. This is a gift to myself, like literally this is a stunning bag, and I've already taken out, you know, some of like the stickers going on, but I haven't done the rest yet. One day I will. But yeah, I'll definitely share with you a bit more about the story, why I've gotten this bag, you know, for myself. I've actually put a bag organizer inside, but it can fit so much. It's not really heavy to me, I feel, and this bag it just suits everything. Of course, this is not my diaper bag. It won't be my diaper bag, but I absolutely love it. But love this to bits. It's actually like one of the best purchases ever. Like, I mean, amazing quality from Hermes. Definitely talk a little bit more about this bag in a separate video if I have the time, or while trying to find time, you know. So yeah, absolutely love this stunning beauty in cray. And the third item would be another Hermes piece, and it's a very small one that I've got for myself. Also a love at first sight item. Let's see, it is a bracelet that I got for myself. My size is actually, I go for like the bigger one. I'm actually a GM size instead of like the smaller size, which is a PM. And yeah, I'm just removing the sticker right now. This is just beautiful, like a nice orange shade, and it just matches my outfit right now. It is just so cute. I love it. This is so cute, right? I mean, it just matches my outfit, and it's just really bright and it's really great. Summery piece. Just my 3 unboxings right now. Of course, I will share a bit of like story time about each piece, but especially for Hermes, probably a lot of you might be wondering, how did I manage to even score this one? This, I did not get it from the boutique. You know how difficult it is to get an Hermes right now. This is actually through a reseller, as well as my Hermes bracelet. So these are actually from 2 separate resellers, and when I got it, this wasn't even listed on their website at all. This was literally, it just was new in. It just came in, and I walked into the store. I knew that I wanted a Birkin 30, and when I saw the combination of all these elements, I just thought, okay, I definitely cannot pass this off, and got the stunning beauty. I definitely want to change the twillies though. What do you think? Let me know. In the comment section down below, what do you think about these twillies here? Should I go with something a little bit lighter? Should I go with something that's a little bit darker? What are your thoughts? There's also a couple of pieces that I recently sold in my bag collection. So a couple of Chanel pieces, especially some like the black pieces. I've sold some recently because of my lifestyle at the moment. I've just got a newborn, and I feel like even like a Birkin 30, it's a little bit more hard wearing than a lambskin Chanel. So I'll definitely talk a little bit more around that in a separate video. So if you enjoy such videos, stay tuned for more. I make a lot of these videos. I can't wait to actually post more videos when I have the chance. And I might not be prepared in terms of how I look, my hair is undone, and life is just so different right now, especially with a 2-month-old kid. It is just crazy. I mean, I just do not have time, literally pockets of time every day. So kudos to any new moms right now who is going through life as a new mom and having a newborn and having to juggle a new life. It's just full on right now, but I'm totally blessed and super happy. and where I'm at right now, and it is always okay to, you know, to enjoy luxury at this stage, but of course spend wisely, and you only live life once. So that's my motto in life. I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself.